Hello friends, welcome to our channel Buddy for Support. Here is an home remedy to boost your immunity power against the coronavirus. This immunity booster drink, it was being used by the medical allopathy doctor who was COVID positive, and he was being cured within 24 hours. So you can consume this drink if you have any symptoms or if you're being affected by coronavirus. You will notice the positive changes in 24 to 40 hours. Wondering how to prepare? Follow the simple steps in order to prepare this recipe. The ingredients are turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, lemon with skin sliced, cloves 2, pepper 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 to 2, water 1 liter. Boil this in low flame around for 30 minutes. You can consume it when it is warm, just like coffee or tea, adding with 2 tablespoons of honey. Consume this drink multiple times a day. Immune system will be boosted. Stay in home, stay safe and stay healthy. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.